We're getting right to the point. We're quickly getting in there and digging into our abs. So join me. I'm Nora Day. Hi everybody, here we go. We're gonna get right into it. This is a really intense little core workout and we're gonna knock it out. So let's do it. Come on your backs. Take your forearms down. So I'm just hanging here on my back. I'd like your low back to be flat, so I need to come a little lower and I can see I can balance on my low back. Low back is in this mat right here. Hands behind your head, bend your right knee, bring it in. Opposite elbow, opposite knee, bring it in. Again, opposite, bring it in. One more, opposite, bring it in. Switch, opposite, lengthen your outside leg. Switch, lengthen. Switch, opposite elbow, opposite knee. Very simple. Rotating side to side. Okay, we're switching it up. Opposite elbow, opposite knee. Straighten the other leg. Opposite elbow, opposite knee. Straighten the leg. One more of those. Opposite, outer leg straightens. Opposite, outer leg straightens. Keep going. Opposite, straighten both. Opposite, straighten both. Here we go. Opposite, straighten both. We're going faster. Switch, switch. Keep those legs straight. Keep your upper body off the mat for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Keep going. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. As we come to opposite, keep that outer leg long and faster again. One leg long, one knee bent. Always opposite elbow, opposite knee. 4, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. For the full 5 minutes of abs and for other videos like this, go to yoginora.com.